You're watching the Bharat and I'm Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. India can catalyze fundamental mindset shift. PM Modi on G20 presidency. Swaraj Bhaskar joined Bharat Jodo walks with Rahul Gandhi in Ujjain. US House panel gets access to Trump's tax return after long legal battle. Gujarat votes in circle poll week after huge bridge tragedy. Now news in detail. India's G20 presidency will work to promote the universal sense of oneness. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said Thursday as the country assumed the presidency of the Intergovernmental Forum, highlighting the significant result delivered by the previous 17 presidency of the G20. PM Modi said India can catalyze a fundamental mindset shift to benefit humanity as a whole. Our mindset are shaped by our kismetens. Throughout history, humanity lived in a scarcity. We found our limited resources because our survival depend on denying them to other. Confirmation and competition between ideas, ideologies and identities become the norm, he said a blog post. Bollywood actor Swaraj Bhaskar on Thursday joined the Congress Bharat Jodo Yatra in Ujjain and walked with Rahul Gandhi. The actor reached Indore on Wednesday and was scheduled to walk with Rahul Gandhi today morning. With Swaraj Bhaskar, the first of Bollywood presence in Bharat Jodo Yatra, grew with Pooja Bhatt, Sushant Singh, Rashmi Desai, Riya Sen joining the yatra. Known for the anti-BJP opinion, Swaraj Bhaskar extended support to the yatra when it began and lauded Rahul Gandhi's effort despite electrical defect. Trolling and personal attack, credit when due. Despite electrical defects, trolling, personal attack and constant critique about being ineffective. At the rate, Rahul Gandhi has neither scammed to communal rhetoric nor sensationalist politics. The Delhi High Court on Thursday will hear a plea by the city police challenging the clean chit given to Congress MP Shashi Tharoor's connection with the mysterious death of his wife Sunanda Pushkar. In August 2021, a trial court had discharged Tharoor from charges of abetment to suicide of his wife, while saying that there was no matter against the legislator, much less any positive act to instigate or aid on her committing suicide, assuming it as a cause of death. A US House of Representative Committee has obtained access to Donald Trump's tax return following a year-long court fight with the Republican former president, who has accused the Democratic-led panel of being politically motivated. Treasury has complied with the last week court decision, a Treasury Department spokesperson said in an email statement late on Wednesday. The spokesperson declined to say whether the committee had accused the document. The panel will have the little time to do this work, with Republican post to take the House majority in January. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome to the Bharat. The Islamic State group said on Wednesday that its leader Abu Hassan al-Hashmi al-Qurayshi has been killed in battle or announced replacement. A spokesperson for the terror group said in Hashmi, an Iraqi, was killed in combat with enemies of God, without elaborating on the date of his death. Speaking in an audio message, the spokesman identified the group's new leader as Abu al-Hussein in Hushani al-Qurayshi. The giant Chinese cities of Zhangzhou and Chongqing announced as easing of COVID curbs on Wednesday, a day after demonstrators in southern Zhangzhou clashed with police aimed a string of protests against the world hottest coronavirus restriction demonstration, which spread over the weekend in Shanghai, Beijing and elsewhere, have become a show of public defiance unprecedented since President Xi Jinping came to power in 2012. The southwestern city of Chongqing will allow to close contact of people with COVID-19 who fulfill certain conditions to quarantine at home. a city official said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a 50-kilometer long roadshow in Ahmedabad today afternoon, beginning from Naroda Jametal Gandhinagar South constituency. The roadshow is likely to last 3 hours from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. The Prime Minister will also stop at 35 places, including memorials of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay, and Subhash Chandra Bose. With this, the Prime Minister will sound the bugle of the second phase of polling slated to begin on December 5. Star Indian batter Surya Kumar Yadav has been in such a red hot from this year that is near unfathomable to see him fail even occasionally. The world number 1 ranked T20s batter and leading T20 run quarter of this year has set the stage on fire like no other batsman. This year alone, Surya Kumar has notched up to blistering century to go with several match-winning centuries. He was India's second highest run getter of G20 World Cup and third on the overall list, and some of the innings which he played, particularly against South Africa and Zimbabwe, were simply breathtaking. From Australia, Surya carried his blazing from the New Zealand, where he lit up the bay of Oval Stadium in Mount Maunganui. He blasted 111 knot of 51 balls to give India a crushing victory of the host. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.